Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install drivers on your DELL Precision 5520. In order to do it, I'm just gonna close out of this window. You can do it in two different methods. The first one being going to Settings, then scrolling to Windows Update, checking for updates, and it'll automatically start downloading and installing all of them. Then later on it'll prompt you to restart your device so you can do it and all the updates will be done. But if something wasn't installed and still something's not working, go to Advanced Options. Then go to Optional Updates and you'll see Driver Updates. And these should be only used for specific problems. So let's say that your camera is working, microphone isn't working. And in the driver updates, you have both for camera and for microphone. Then if your microphone isn't working, install the one for microphone, but don't install the one for the camera if your camera already is working. So these are just for specific problems. Yeah. And you just select the one, then click on download and install. Now let's do with the second method, which is going to the browser. And now I'm just gonna go to like DELL support, or let's type in DELL drivers. It'll let us go to like our goal faster. Then go to drivers and downloads DELL. Let's see, it'll probably change it to Polish, but I can simply change the language right here, I guess. Yes, and now what is the best is simply typing in your DELL your service tag, and the service tag is on the bottom of your device. If you can't see it, then most probably on the bottom of your device there is this door that you can open, and underneath it it'll have a service tag. I have a picture of it so I can just show you the picture because I don't want to flip the laptop over, but it should have something like this service tags SN. And now let's type in the DW something. Click on enter, and now it will find my device. Then it'll show you the drivers as well. So let's find specific drivers. You can also automatically check for it, but I don't think you need to do that. And then operating system, I can see that there's no Windows 11, so I'm gonna stick with the Windows 10. It'll work just fine most probably. And here you can find, of course, if you select this device, not all Precision 5520, you can find drivers for your device. So if like your memory card reader doesn't work, you can just either select it or click on download. If you select it, then you can select like several ones, and then you can download all of them. But I'm gonna just try to install one of these to show you how the installation works. And if I go to like whatever, I don't know. By the way, the BIOS, if you really want to install BIOS, then make sure you're experienced with computers, and also make sure that you don't unplug your device at all times until all the updates of the BIOS are done. Otherwise, your device probably will break. So it has to be plugged into power all the time. Now let's go to like the Thunderbolt controller driver, because I think it may not work. I've tried like using the USB-C, it just didn't work properly. So I'm gonna open that file now once it's downloaded. Let's click on yes. Now click on install. Agree to the license terms and conditions, click on install, and in a moment you'll be able to click on finish. Okay, instead of finish, I have the option to restart it. So let's do it. And that's basically it for this video. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.